Hi everyone, it's Jacqueline and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you some ideas and inspiration for your journals if you ever want to start making one. It is a very relaxing way to pour your heart and feelings or to keep some memories for you to look back to in the future. So let's start from the first one. In times like this, it is very easy for us to get caught up in negativity of it all, which is why I find it really necessary for us to look at the bright side of the things as well, as hard and impossible as it may seem in the current state of the world. But here are the things that I'm grateful for. I'm really grateful for the time that I have to reconnect with myself and to be able to be my own self again, because during the past year I was very busy with my clinical year and there are a lot of pressure going on that make me feel like I'm not in control of myself. And with the craziness around the things I should do, I feel like I don't even have time for myself and I started losing myself. So I'm really grateful for this opportunity where I can really reconnect to myself and be myself once again. I'm also very grateful for the things that I could do at home with my family, but most important of all, I'm really grateful for our health. Another idea for your journal is a monthly to-do list or goals like mine right here. And at the end of each month, you can reflect back and decide whether you have fulfilled your goals or haven't. Since I now have a lot of free time on my hands, it is the perfect time for me to reflect on my life goals and my life plans, and I can really imagine myself opening this journal 10 years from now and reading it all over again, and I think it will bring a lot of emotions and memories. Even when you don't know what to write about your future plan, you can always ask your younger self whether she wanted this life you're currently living in, what was her plan, is she going to be happy knowing you've come such a long way to be where you are right now? If there's something that you would like to change, what would it be? Last but definitely not least, what I love to write on my journal is my feelings towards someone or the reason why I love and adore someone or a certain person in my life. I love to read them over and over again to keep on reminding myself how grateful I am to be surrounded by this person in my life. I also love to write a certain celebration like anniversaries on my journal and then add a picture as a memory. So that's all for today's video. I hope you're all safe and healthy wherever you are, and this video brings you some inspiration somehow, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!